Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain what all the trades we have taken today. So we have generated 5 calls today. So all that 5 calls has hit our target. So I will explain you how to trade based on the algo matrix. Everyone. So all members know very well. Algo matrix is a simple tool like a calculator. It is going to give you a perfect entry and exit point, right? So algometrics is based on the mathematical calculations, so here no technicals involved. Okay, so let me go first. Today I have generated bank nifty call. So let me explain the bank nifty call. So currently we are in position of a silver call, so I will explain you that also. uh, Let me go for bank nifty. Okay, so this is the bank nifty data. Okay, okay, so see here. So this is the bank nifty data. So see here, whenever market is opening at the green side, okay, whenever market is opening at the green side, the particular trend for the day is completely positive. Okay, and when the market is opening at the red side, the complete trend was downside. Okay, so what is the open price for bank nifty today? So open price was 35,222, right? So 35,222 was the open price. So check where is the open getting located. So see here, open is around this particular area. It is in the red zone, right? So what I have told you, whenever market is opening at the red zone, the complete trend for the day is downtrend. Okay, don't initiate a long entry in that. Okay, so now the clicking method is nothing. See, in that, if the open price is in this zone, okay, you need to click S minus, or otherwise, if open price comes to this zone, you need to click R minus. So, after clicking the R minus, I want to click AR. Okay, after clicking R minus, I want to click AR. So, what is the trend is? Trend is completely negative, right? So maximum it should reach this zone. Okay, it should reach this zone, or otherwise it should reach this zone. See, at the same time I want to tell you one thing, and I have said that if market is opening at the red side, the trend is completely negative, but some of the days it won't behave straight away. It will open in the negative zone and it will go up and up. It will break the higher and high and it will move up. So we cannot predict exactly, but the matter is when we are waiting for the confirmation and if we are executing our trades, it will be a perfect trades. Okay, simply we won't take entry if it is reaching this particular level or this particular level. We will wait for the confirmation. At least it should reach this area, or otherwise it should reach this area. Okay, what is the high today? 35,449.95 is the high, right? So see here, it is reaching this particular area, right? It is reaching this particular area. So now after reaching this particular area, you should not initiate a long entry. You know very well market is opening at the red zone, so market will come down. Okay, so it should reach this area and once again it should come down and it should break this 35,359, this dimmed price, right? It should reach this particular area, or otherwise if it is breaking this and if it is going here means just leave it, let it go. And after making some small high, that is the trap for buyers. Okay, so it should reach this particular area and it should come down. Okay, so if it is coming down and breaking this 35,359, if it is breaking, you can go for the short position. Okay, you can go for the short position. So after breaking this 359, you can take a short position. So like the same way we have given a call in our premium group. See here, Buy Bank Nifty 35,300 PE at 210, right? 210. While it is breaking this 359, we have given a call 35,300 PE at 210. At last it made high around 464. It made 464 and the target will be nothing. Okay, if you are taking entry at this particular area, your first target will be this support 35,172. This will be your first target. And if you need to find the second target, just click the DR once, you will get your second target. Maximum wait for the second target alone, don't wait for the third target and all, right? So you will hit two targets. Okay, so 35,055 is the second target. So all target was done, made low around 34,965. Okay, so this was the call we have generated today, and the same thing we have generated a Titan call, right? I will explain you that also. Titan, so see here, what is the open price for Titan today? So Titan is here, open price was 1694.35, right? So 1694, so where is the 1694? See, it is exactly here, right? It is exactly in this area, right? It is still in the red zone, so the trend is completely negative. So click S minus, after that click EAR. So what I have told, maximum it will reach this zone, or otherwise it will reach this zone, and once again it should come and break this dimmed price 1693. So what was the high made today? 1709.25. Okay, this is the high today, right? So what I have told, it should reach this particular zone, and once again it should come down and it should break this 1693. Okay, so below that we can go for short, but at the same time, comparing to 1709 and this 1693 is there is a difference between more than 15 to 17 points. That is late entry, but you can see this dimmed price 1697.25, right? 1697.25. So below this 1697.25 itself, you can take your short entry. You can take your short entry. So like the same way we have given a call. So Titan, see here, so below that 97, see here, see the exactly it didn't broke that 97 level. See here, at first time it didn't broke and it is consolidating for some time, and once again it is breaking that 97. After breaking that 97, you can initiate a short entry. From there it will fall. Okay, so I don't know whether technical will work like this or not, because I know very well about technical. Definitely it's not going to work like algo matrix. Okay, I'm sure in that. Okay, so algo matrix is completely based on the mathematical calculations, so you can trust this and you can take your own trades. Okay, so from here it is going to fall, and what I have told, whenever you are taking entry here or in this area, your first target will be this, right? 1681, your target was done. It made low around 1674.90, I think, right? So our first target and second target both was done. Titan call I have given here, yeah, in free group I have given. See here, sell Titan below 1697, target 1685 and 1675. So both the target was done, right? Like the same way I have given a infi call also. Infi call. So infi's open price is around yeah, 1544.70, 1544.70. So it is here in this particular area, right? So I'm clicking the S minus because trend is completely a downtrend. So click S minus and click AR, right? S minus and AR. But the matter is your open price is here, right? So now what I have told you, at least it should reach this zone or otherwise this zone. Okay, but at the same time, whenever your open price lies here, you can expect this zone or otherwise this zone. But at the same time, if your open price is here means the maximum it can go up to this 55 level to 57 level. It will reach this particular area and it will fall, or otherwise sometimes it will fall from this area itself. It will consolidate between this 46 and 52, and once again if it is breaking this 1542, you can go for the short position. You can go for the short position, but we have initiated a entry well before, right? So we have initiated a entry well before. Why? Because is we know very well that trend is completely a downtrend, right? So first time it broke this 42 and it should take retest in this particular area, right? So to find the exact entry, I am clicking this 3, right? Sorry, I'm clicking this 2. So maximum, if it is breaking 50 means only it can go up to this 57. But what was the reversal point? This 48 to 50 is the reversal point. So we have initiated a short entry at 45 to 47, and the target will be 1539 and 1532. Here the target is very less, just 6 to 7 points. Why? Because it's nothing. See here this volatility, you can see the volatility here 5 and 5. Whenever the volatility comes around 8 9 or otherwise 10, above 10, you can expect a good targets like 10 points or 15 points. But at the same time, in this method you cannot use in technicals. In technicals you can find the entry, stop loss, target. But at the same time, if your target is 20 points means definitely it won't hit 20 points. Sometimes it will reverse from the 10 points itself. But in Algomatrix, based on this, okay, based on this we can find the exact target and everything, okay, where it will come and where it will go, everything we can find. So because the volatility is less, so maximum it can give only 6 to 7 points. So click the DR. So maximum it can come up to 1531, but it didn't come. We have the stock was completely consolidated for a whole day. I will show you. Yeah, see here, completely it was consolidated. We have hit only our first target. Okay, that is 1539. We got more than 7 points. That is more than enough, I think so. So still it isn't downtrend only. It is consolidating, not given any big movement because the volatility is 5, right? I have told you the volatility is 5. So we cannot expect a big movement and all. Okay, so like this you need to trade in Algomatrix. Now we have given a silver call. Silver call is simple thing. So see here it is falling. We have initiated a short entry. Sell silver mini at 68,062, 68,100, and the stop loss is 68,540 and target is 67,700 and 67,550. Our target was done just now, right? So exactly it is reversing from that particular area. Let's check for silver. Okay, so open price is around here. So I'm clicking S minus and I'm clicking AR. So see here, it broke this 67,885 already at morning. At this particular area it broke, right? And I want to wait for the retest between these two levels. So maximum it can go up to 68,134, that particular area. So what was the high made? 68,156. So exactly it is taking retest and falling from there. Clear? So we have done our target. So like that we need to wait for our perfect entry and we need to take a trades. Okay, so again I'm saying don't believe the technicals will won't help you all time. So based on this you can trade and you can make a good money. So I have given my Telegram channel link below in description. You can join there. Okay, and we have a premium service. You can contact me. I have given my WhatsApp number, and Algomatrix training program will start at 25th July. Okay, 25th July our classes are starting, so you can join for our classes. And big thing is there is no any subscription for Algomatrix. It is completely free, those who are joining our Algomatrix training program. Okay, so it is lifetime validity. And one more thing, those who are joining for our training program, you will be in our premium group for the lifetime validity. You will receive calls and everything there. Okay, so you are going to pay only for the training program. Okay, other than that you are not going to do anything. So Algomatrix is completely free for everyone. So you can join our telegram channel, and those who are interested in training, you can get from us. Okay, so you can contact me from below WhatsApp number. Okay, so thank you all. Let's see in next video.